Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow apps to install from unknown sources. So if you're trying to download APKs or something like that and it's not allowing you, go to the top right of your phone and go to Settings. And then scroll on down, and we're looking for Security and Privacy. Tap this. Now, your phone might have this option in a little bit different area, but if you have Samsung, this is how you do it. And then going down to where it says More Security Settings. And for me, the option is just down right here, install unknown apps. Now, to install the APK, you need to allow the source. So if you're using this browser, or this browser, you just have to make sure it's checkmarked. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to download the APK. It says, by default, your phone can only install apps from approved sources. So you need to make sure it's checkmarked right here to be able to install it. Once you have that check mark, go ahead and just download the APK or whatever you're trying to install, and then go to Files, and go to My Files or Files. Both are the same, and then go to Downloads. And you should be able to see your APK source in here. Just click it, and you should be able to open it up and install it now. So it looks like I got an update for Epic Game Store. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.